Hi guys, this is my first video, and before I start, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment, and hit the notification bell so that you're updated on the videos that I am going to upload. So in this video, I am going to plant a tree, which is our teacher told us to plant a fruit bearing tree, and we all know it can help us to make foods. So I choose to plant a jackfruit tree. So join me and let's go.